The next icon is the access level. It is true that we already saw how to set the access level to a personnel through the personnel list and the settings. However, this window allows us to perform the access level setup to a personnel and to departments in an easier and faster way. Through this window, we can copy the access level from one cardholder to other cardholder or to all cardholders. We can also copy the access level of a certain department to another department or all departments, including sub-departments. We also have the Set All buttons that allows us to set the same access level to all personnel or to all departments. In this way, we can save a lot of time for access level configuration. Let's see how the copy of access level works. We can see that John Smith has access level to several doors, while the others have no access level to any of the doors. They cannot enter it. Of course, we can change for each personnel the access level by selecting a table for each one of the doors. But this might take some time. If we know that we want to give the other two the same access level, just like John, we can just copy from John to Sarah and to Jack. Now we can see that both Jack and Sarah has the same access level as John. Alternatively, we could have used the feature Set All. Let's imagine that we change the access level of Jack and the access level of Sarah. Okay, now they have no entry for exit door number 4. If we click on John Smith and then click Set All, we can set the access level of John Smith to all the personnel in the list. We can see that just like John, which has the access level for exit door number 4, both Sarah and Jack have this access level now. Let's change again the access level of Sarah and Jack to be different than the one of John. If we click now Set Department, it will allow us to set the access level of John to all other personnel in his department. So we will again expect to have the same access level for Sarah, Jack, and John. We can see that both the access level of John, Sarah, and Jack is the same. If the Include Subdepartment and Personnel is checked as well, this will also set the same access level of the copied person to all the subdepartments and their personnel. We can see how these buttons can help us to save time in access level configuration. We switch to the department list and we see that also here we have the same functions as copy and paste to copy the access level from one department to the other one, Set All to set the access level of a certain department to all other departments, Include subdepartments and personnel in order to apply the settings not only over the department, the destination department, but also over its subdepartments, and apply, which means applying the access level of a certain department to all its personnel. In case that we have just changed the access level of a certain department and we would like the change to take place for all its personnel, then we will use the apply. Another interesting feature is the ability to copy access level from a department to a person, and vice versa. Copy access level from a person to a department and clicking paste. Both the department list and the personnel list has the ability to locate a certain person or a certain department, a certain cardholder or a certain department using the search button.